I told you we could get into the members-only golf course if we wore a disguise.
You idiot.
There's more dead wood in my brain than there is in this tree.
Too true.
People will definitely be talking about this around the water cooler tomorrow.
I wonder if Dad does this with his spare time.
And here's a full one. Too bad we tipped all the water down the drain so we could do it.
Well, why would you?
My motto is to exercise when I hit the wall.
Oh, stupid girls.
Dude, you don't want to take on Mother Nature. She fights dirty.
Oh, she does indeed.